Welcome in. All right, so this is the room. So as you come in, this is the little bit about this. We are on the Disney Magic. This is room number 6131, and this is the base room that you can get. So this is just a guaranteed inside stateroom. So when you order it, you don't necessarily know where you're at, but it's guaranteed you're gonna be inside. So this is the cheapest you can get. And compared to other cruise lines where I've been on the interior cabin, I'm very impressed. As you come in here, you see a suite style room. Little bit for reference, this is the smallest and the oldest Disney Cruise Line ship. So I came in not having too many expectations. This will switch into a bed entirely if you have a little one here, and they also can do a swing down, kind of like you'll see on other. This one might not have a swing down on it. I don't know how they do that, because you can sleep up to 4 in this bedroom. This one might fully come out. We're gonna see tonight, but I know this turns into a bed somehow. You've got the double here, or queen or double, what do you think that is? Probably a double. Queen, okay, maybe a queen. Grace is behind the camera. Say hi, Grace. She says hi. Grace can come over here. So what I like about this room is just kind of the size of it for a guaranteed interior stateroom. You've got lamps on both sides, along with a room. You got a phone, obviously. Now the cool thing about Disney compared to other cruise lines is that when you look at your guarantee, when you're just on the cruise ship, I can't even speak, your room service, it's included in the fare of your cost. So room service is free. Take advantage of that. That's not the case on every cruise line. So you'll be able to get your room service here. Things like soda and alcohol and all that fun jazz is still an upcharge for room service, but you can get all the food and stuff included in the fare. Over here on this side of the bed, you have the same ordeal with the light switch, some plugs right here, down. They're not, I think they're European style plugs, they're not American, so keep that in mind if you want to bring adapters. And then you also just have another nightstand over there. Something very interesting, let's get a pan of this. Something very interesting is you can close off this side of the room from that side. So if you're a family traveling and you're wondering, is an interior stateroom going to be big enough for our family, and am I going to have enough privacy? The answer might genuinely be maybe. I would not say that on all of them, like Carnival or even Royal. A lot of the times the rooms don't have this suite fill for your base price interior cabin, but I'm very impressed as this one seems to have that kind of room. All right, I'll flip with Grace and give you a show of this side of the room. So you have your closets over here, and over here you have your desk. They gave us like some cool little packaging, just because we are Castaway members, and it came with some cool little goodie bags from the cruise line, which is cool. You have storage all the way down, hair dryer there, and storage, some cool information on the cruise itself, some of the cruise ports, and some just a warm welcome from Mickey and Minnie. So that's cool. Another cool thing, Grace and I, on our drive down, we received a phone call from Mickey and Minnie. I'll play that now.
Hiya, pal. It's me, Mickey Mouse, and I was just... Yo! Mickey! Oh, hiya, Minnie. How you doing?
Oh, Mickey, have you heard? Have you heard?
Heard what?
Our friend is coming for a visit. Oh, isn't it exciting?
It sure is. In fact, I'm talking to him right now.
You are? Well, you have to tell him hello from me, okay?
You got it. All right, pal. Minnie wanted me to say hello, and
that we're really excited that you're coming to see us. Tell him that, too.
that we're really excited you're coming to see us. And
that we can hardly wait until they get here.
We can hardly wait until you get here.
Super cool, right? I thought that was a cool phone call that we got on our way up here. Continuing on, we have the mini fridge here. And this is on this cruise line you can't bring on like wine, or I don't think you can bring on pop like other cruise lines, but it's still cool to have that if you want it. You have more storage all throughout up here, and when I say ample amount of storage for the size of this room, I really mean it. You have a lot of storage. You could very easily have 2 people comfortably on this cruise, in this cruise cabin, with no, fighting. As you saw there, when you open it, the lights automatically turn on, which is, I think, they're off, now they're on. A really cool touch to the closet here. Same on both sides, with just a lot of room for storage here. And then you have a really nice open, with the very fancy place for your wallet on the inside. A nice open safe there. So you've got all that, and then we're gonna go ahead and make our way into the bathroom. If you'll follow me over here. Okay, so our bathroom. This is an interesting bathroom. This cruise ship was made in the, I believe, late 90s. So you have some of those touches. You'll have the dryer here where you can still see that's probably the original dryer from the 90s. And then you have all of the, you have this here. You've got all of the, nice pan. You have, it's a smaller sink, but it still should make do for just one person. You have this, and then I will get out and let Grace show you the shower room area. You can go show them the bathtub. So you gotta, and then this is an interesting. You can see that some of the accents are a little dated, I think, but it's got a full tub. So I'll shut the door and let you look at that. There's a full tub in there, and that's just not normal for this size of cabin. I've never seen that before. So it's not on most of the other Disney cruise ships. So this is a cool touch on this one. They did a major refit here about 5 years ago, so you can see some of the refurbishments went into this. Apparently they did all new mattresses, all new sheets, all new everything there, and a couple other things. But I really like this space, and the layout of the cabin overall has some timeless touches to it, and overall, super great cabin. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and if you personally would like this cabin or not. Thank you guys for watching. See you later.